And hello everyone, and say hello to Siu Heng Boon in Sydney, Australia on this beautiful Sunday. We'd just like to apologize. We have not been doing anything lately because we've been really busy with a lot of new stuff. And today we have something we feel will be interesting for you, but I'll let Siu Heng tell you more about it.
So today I am going to be doing this really cute tiger. So adorable, isn't it?
It looks like you like cute stuff, right?
I know, I know. I often choose pictures, that are really cute and real and feminine as well, because I like little flowers and flowers in
Okay.
the head.
So what are you going to be doing?
So I'll be carving the tiger, and then perhaps I might be putting some grass just below the tiger. Yep, so
Okay,
it's like as
interesting.
if it's like popping out from,
This is not a training video. Okay, this is just a behind the scenes
That's
video.
right.
And
That's right.
we hope you enjoy it and probably take a little bit of something away from this. In the meantime, we'll reposition the camera and
Let's do
enjoy
it.
the process.
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's go. All right, everyone, and after 3.5 hours of painstaking carving, we are ready to do the unmolding.
All right, guys. So now this is the big moment to unmold this tiger. Gentle, gentle. Don't ruin my hard work. There you go. Look at that.
Wow. Oh my god, that is so cute. So this is going to be Trixie, the baby tiger cub.
All right, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this session.
Yeah.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
And everyone,
Happy
happy
jellying!
jellying.